Back in session.
Be seated. Have we, emotional experience, everybody, gone on a long time. We shouldn't have any reaction from anyone. We need to take the verdict from the jury in silence, and we'll deal with whatever it is. We ready for the jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's have a jury, please. Mr. Brill, I see you with papers in hand. Are you a foreperson?
I am, sir.
And have you arrived at the verdict?
We have, sir.
Is it as to each of the four counts?
I'm sorry?
As to each of the four
Yes.
counts? All right, would you hand it to the bailiff, please? State of Florida versus Henry Segura, we, the jury, find as follows: as to count one of the indictment concerning the murders of Brandy Peters, the jury finds the defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. As to count two, we, the jury, find as follows: as to count two of the indictment concerning the murder of Tamaya Peters, the defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. As to count three, we, the jury, find the defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. As to count four, we, the jury, find the defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. It's been dated and signed by the foreperson. We wish to have the jury polled.
Yes, sir.
All right. Polling means I need to confirm with each of you that this is your individual verdict as well as the verdict of the jury as a whole. Juror number one, is this your verdict as well as the verdict of the jury as a whole?
Yes, it is.
Number two juror?
Yes.
Number three juror?
Yes.
Number four juror?
Yes.
Number five juror?
Yes.
Number six juror?
Yes.
The jury has unanimously confirmed the verdict. It appears to be in order. It will be filed. I know y'all are ready to go, but I'm gonna ask you to go back into the jury room for just a few moments. I need to discuss with the attorneys exactly how we're gonna proceed forward, so we can give you instructions before you leave. If you retire to the jury room for a moment, please. All right, everybody be seated. So, how do y'all wish to proceed as to the penalty phase timing?
Your Honor, Dr. Pritchard will need to examine Mr. Segura. He has indicated to me that he is, tomorrow morning, he is supposed to be testifying in an Ocala case, but he's going to do it telephonically, so he should be free tomorrow afternoon. So at some stage, we'll need to have him interview Mr. Segura, but he will be a rebuttal witness, so he will need to go after. I don't, quite frankly, anticipate putting on any additional witnesses for my part of the penalty phase. I will do a rebuttal witness, but I don't know that there's any need to call any additional witnesses. So,
Well, when would you be prepared to proceed?
probably tomorrow afternoon. We could go tomorrow morning, but I don't know if Mr.
Mr. Prince, Ms. Baker's in charge of this part of it, or are you doing it?
Yes, sir. I honestly don't know. We need to kind of regroup, and we wouldn't be ready to go tomorrow morning. I guess I can say that.
No? Want to sound like maybe, how long do you think y'all are going to take?
Not long. Not long at all.
We'd start Thursday morning.
Yes, sir. Wednesday afternoon, or Wednesday evening, Dr. Pritchard can see Mr. Segura, and we should be ready to go Thursday morning.
Mr. Prince?
That'd be fine, Your Honor.
And should be able to get it done in a day.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I would think so, sir, depending how long the crossings and directs are, the experts.
Right. Okay. Let's have a jury back in. as you're aware, that we need to have one more phase of this trial. I've talked with the lawyers. They anticipate we could conclude all that in a day. I don't think at this point there's going to be an extended amount of testimony presented. So what we're going to do, because of some witness issues for tomorrow, is we're going to reconvene Thursday morning, 8:45. You're still subject to the rules not to discuss the case or let anyone discuss the case with you. We've come a long ways here. Let's not have any slips at this point in time. So Thursday morning, 8:45, I'm hopeful that we can conclude all matters on Thursday. We'll probably know that a little more clearly tomorrow, but that would be my belief for now from talking to the attorney. So give you tomorrow off, regroup, relax. I know this is stressful for everybody, including y'all. So maybe good to have a day away from us. Thursday morning, 8:45, same plan we've been under. Anybody have any questions about what's expected of you? We will see you Thursday morning, 8:45, and you're going to see that they're safely on their way. Deputy Granger, y'all have a good evening. Probably we should have some proceeding tomorrow to kind of get a little clearer idea where we stand. When would y'all propose?
We could convene in the afternoon, Your
Say
Honor.
1:30 tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
And do I need to do anything to facilitate Dr. Pritchard's meeting with the defendant?
No, sir, we discussed it, and the defense got access, so we'll be able to get it set up. So,
All right, so now he's going to be here at 1:30, so is that going to mess up the scheduling?
no, sir, it shouldn't, because like the doctor thought he'd be there tomorrow morning on the telephone, and he said he should be concluded by the afternoon, so he can do it after our proceedings on Thursday. I'll text him and make sure everything's good.
Okay, because I mean, we can adjust the time on our meeting tomorrow if we need to.
I'll contact and talk to him tonight to confirm, and then I'll let y'all know in the morning if there needs to be a change. Otherwise, we can do 1:30.
All right, we'll plan on 1:30 tomorrow. All right, and Ms. Segura will need to be present. All right, 1:30 tomorrow. Anything else we need to take up at this point?
There you go.
All right, we'll see y'all in the morning.